Imagine gigising ka every day to a breathtaking view of the mountains, the lake, and the city skyline. Lahat ng ito is from the comfort of your home. Hi there, Oliver here, and welcome to this 58.5 square meter unit facing south from Allegra Garden Place in Pasig City. One of the biggest advantages of this orientation is the cool and breezy atmosphere throughout the day, making your home feel fresh and comfortable. Pagpasok mo, mapapansin mo agad ang spacious living area. Maluwag ang space kaya perfect para sa family banding, entertaining guests o kahit naman simpleng relaxation after work. Katabi ng living area ang kitchen kaya very convenient ang layout. Madali ka makakilos habang naghahanda sa kusina at connected pa rin sa buong living area. Accessible rin ang toilet and bath strategically located para madaling gamitin ng homeowners at mga guests. Ito naman ang first bedroom, perfect bilang children's room, guest room, o kahit naman home office setup, depende sa iyong lifestyle. This bedroom offers a wider window for more air ventilation and natural lights. And finally, the master bedroom, a cozy and relaxing space where you can rest while enjoying the natural light and ventilation na hatid ng south-facing orientation ng unit. And you can also find here the access to the balcony, equipped with the wider sliding glass doors to enjoy the beautiful view of the mountains, lake, and city skyline. Another unique advantage of this unit is its location on the floor. It is situated behind the elevator, minimizing foot traffic in the front of your home and conveniently located beside the opening of the sky patio, allowing additional natural ventilation and a more open atmosphere. From its spacious 58.5 square meter layout, breathtaking mountain, lake, and city views, wider windows and sliding doors, refreshing south-facing orientation, and premium location beside the sky patio, this two-bedroom unit is worth to visit and worth to reserve. Message me now and let's talk about a place where you can say that it feels real good to be home. Again, Oliver here, and I'll see you around.